Here's Nexnovo and ODS Labs collaboration in bringing interactivity to the industry of smart glass. You've seen this obviously in our portfolio for quite a few years now. What we're doing is obviously raising the bar when it comes to what this glass can do in terms of resolution. This is now for the first time the 3.9 pitch that is in the market. Of course, you have all the other cool features of transparency. You've got almost 95% of transparency. You've got a mirror effect on the back side, and you can push the limits to what scale you want in terms of size, right up to 3 meters, and then doing horizontal, vertical assembly into a design, and of course, customize shapes if required based on the architectural requirements. All you're seeing here is obviously the big cool stuff in the glass. The other thing is the special coating that has been added onto this, which gives an anti-glare. You have several other coating options that are possible when it comes to depend on the application and where exactly it's being deployed. That's all about this glass. Let me show you now the posters. And this is the Next posters. 120 centimeters high, 80 centimeters wide. This comes as a standard size, 3.4 pixel pitch and of almost 60% transparency. Obviously, because of 3.4, if you see closer, this is quite a fine pitch to go inside glass. And if you see from the side, these are 2 sheets of glass, and on the inside is the mesh. So I can literally use the standard cleaning materials for cleaning glass from the back or the front, and use this in retail stores, in environments where there's glass facades in corporate offices or government offices where we want to have content that's playing behind the glass and not play with the actual glass. This is the solution. It changes the way you play with transparent content, and of course, if you want to add all the other tech that you saw with interactivity, it's very much possible. But this is the poster, intended mainly for retail and corporate. Come, let me show you another cool transformation using the same technology. The cool thing here is the flexibility of how we package the housing to not have it obviously suspended from the ceiling, but then on a storefront or in a retail environment or a corporate office where you want to have the transparency, you could have even products behind and play with content that reveal something behind the glass and then give you information, make it a lot more attractive. We can even design it to have a standalone computer on the inside, giving you total flexibility on having a plug-and-play solution that can be standalone or integrated with our CMS and have a central server that manages what goes on all these displays. We can also add the element of touch. You have the option to bring in sensors that could be added in if you want to make this touch interactive, or proximity-based, where as I come close, it reveals something that's hiding behind the glass itself.